dirty martini linguini. I think you could make this pretty successfully with chicken as well, or just straight up dirty martini. If you're not into shrimp, my sister's not into shrimp, so I would have to make this without shrimp for her. But basically, I just took the lemon out. I've been marinating in the fridge about a pound or 24 shrimp, so medium to large, medium-ish, okay, per pound of pasta. And I put it in the fridge with a little squirt of lemon juice, a small lemon, and a few cloves of garlic, grated, pasted, or chopped, all right? And this is a really important step, guys. The shrimp, it really takes on so much flavor. Even if you can only throw it in the fridge for as little as 30 minutes, it makes a huge difference. In this pot, I have, about 5 quarts of water coming to a boil. John wanted the egg linguine, so we're gonna go with that today. So the first thing we're gonna do is cook off our shrimp and drop our pasta. This is gonna seem so weird because this recipe happens so fast. It kind of has to. Shrimp needs to cook a la minute before you serve, and the pasta, especially because John chose this particular pasta, is gonna cook super quickly. So we really have to kind of be on top of this. Make sure everything, all your mise en place, all your things are in place right before you're ready to go. And then once you start working, do not stop, okay? That's the key to this whole thing. Okay, now we're going to take our shrimp that's been hanging out with the lemon juice and the garlic, get it into a pan, and this is just over medium. And we're gonna let that get going. And the pasta water is up to a boil, so we're gonna start cooking the pasta, and always undercook your pasta by a full minute. Why? Because you're gonna have carry-over cooking. It will continue to cook when you add it to the sauce, okay? So what we're gonna do is take our shrimp. They've been cooking about 4 minutes, and we're going to add, carefully, about a half a cup of our gin. Good splash. I think that was a little shy. And then we're going to add about half of that, or roughly a quarter cup of fat splash of our dry vermouth. So, what's missing from a dirty martini? Duh, the brine. We're going to add in about 3 tablespoons of olive brine into our mix here. And of course we need the olives in our dirty martini linguine. So these are really buttery, beautiful Italian green olives that I've pitted and coarsely chopped, and it's about 3/4 of a cup to a cup. Throw that into the pan, into the mix. Now, once this cooks down a bit and the alcohol burns off a bit, we're going to add a couple tablespoons of butter and some parsley and the magic ingredient, the starchy cooking liquid from the pasta itself. Okay, guys, now we're going to stir in the butter, a couple tablespoons of really good Italian butter. Now we're going to take our slightly undercooked pasta. John chose an egg linguine. And then the magic happens here. We're going to add in that starchy, salty cooking liquid. Oh. And toss this all together with our grassy flat leaf parsley, the olive juice, the spirits. Oh my goodness. I mean, seriously. And we want it to toss together long enough for all of the flavors to absorb and combine. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look how beautiful. Oh, it smells so extravagant and delightful.